It's been a life journey bringing the product line to where we are today, so it's an honor to be able to guide the company. Seeing the deficiencies with different building systems and new composites could fill the void and basically make a better product that lasts longer, stronger, and provides more resilience for future generations. A lot of markets don't know they need change, and that's been kind of our forefront, is to show them how we can solve problems and make things better for them.
Construction, especially construction, is the only industry that we know that even in the 21st century keeps building like it's the 19th century. So basically using the same materials, I see Northstar bringing the sustainability, the climate change and everything to protect the planet as the core of its business.
Here at Northstar, every job is a chance to showcase our responsibility, our creativity, our flexibility, and our motivation to change not only families, but communities and future generations. So being part of this team means contributing to something much larger than myself.
So what I would say makes Northstar's approach different, according to sustainability and things of that nature, is that we really try to think about things in a 50-year cycle rather than a 5-year cycle. In other words, looking at it as a legacy home versus a home that you're just getting ready to get the certificate of occupancy as soon as possible.
Change the built environment of the world. And think about what that means, right? We can engineer things differently, we can build things differently, which means that they can be used differently and more effective. That is literally something that changes the world. There's only so many companies that have ever taken on something so ambitious and actually succeeded. So it goes back to that standard of excellence. I can't make this company be what it needs to be and what it has the ability and the potential to be without being excellent and without being perfect, or as perfect as possible as I could be. So every day that I show up, I make a commitment to give it everything that I have, and that's honestly spilled over into the rest of my life as well. And that's something that I really appreciate about working here at Northstar.